Action. Hi Tess. Hi Nathan. I think those 15 pieces of circuit boards should have arrived in your factory. We would like to show you on how to replace the circuit board. Andy, let's start. So you simply first you take off the screw. Okay. Then you pull the circuit board out. Now this part here, you have to shake it and pull it slowly. Pull it slowly and give a shake it. Give it a firm grip. And then there is the adapter here, you remove that. And then to put a new circuit board, okay, now we show you how to put a new circuit board. You plug it in and then you match the screw hole on this side against this screw hole, the same direction.
Here.
And here, the wire must go inside this socket here. This white socket here. The wire must go in there. That's it. And push the circuit board in. It will be tight, and that is normal. And then just put the two screws back in. Then put the second screws back in. So that finished the replacement. Please do send us back the faulty board so we can see what caused the problem and make improvement. Thank you. Bye bye.